3 billion people use WhatsApp every month. And most of them would rather message your business there than call a phone number or wait for an email reply. Your customers are already on WhatsApp. The question is whether your support team is there to meet them. When you connect WhatsApp to Zendesk, every incoming message automatically becomes a ticket in your agent workspace. Agents reply from inside Zendesk, and customers receive those replies directly on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has replaced SMS across most global markets. It's the default messaging app in APAC, EMEA, and Latin America. Teams connecting to WhatsApp see 28% higher conversion rates and a 13% better issue resolution rate compared to other channels. Before you touch Zendesk settings, you need 4 things: a Zendesk suite plan, a verified Meta Business Manager with admin access, a dedicated phone number that's not on the WhatsApp mobile app, and an approved display name that matches your brand exactly. The Zendesk setup itself takes about 5 minutes. The waiting is in Meta's verification process. Business Manager approval takes 1 to 3 days, and WhatsApp Business Account approval can take another week or 2. In your Zendesk Admin Center, go to Channels, then Messaging and Social, then Messaging. This is where you'll manage all your messaging channel connections from one place. Click Add Channel, select WhatsApp, then click Continue with WhatsApp. This opens Meta's login flow in a pop-up. Sign in with the Facebook profile that's linked to your business. Sign in with the Facebook profile linked to your business manager, grant Zendesk access to your WhatsApp business account and phone number, and select or create a business manager. The person doing this must have admin access in Meta. Fill in your channel name, brand, profile picture, description, and contact information. This is exactly what customers see when they message you. Your display name must match your Meta Business Manager account precisely. Select your verified phone number from the drop-down. If it shows as pending, Meta verification isn't complete yet. Once approved, click Add Channel and wait up to 5 minutes for Zendesk to complete the hosting setup. Here's the most important rule on WhatsApp. You have 24 hours to reply freely after a customer messages you. After that window closes, you can only reach them using pre-approved message templates, some of which carry per message fees. If Meta's verification timeline is holding back your automation goals, Easel AI connects to Zendesk in minutes. No external verification, no usage fees, and AI capabilities built in from day one. Setup time: minutes, not weeks. Easel AI gives you AI-powered support automation on Zendesk in minutes, not weeks. No Meta verification, no usage fees, just results. Try it free for 7 days at www.easel.ai.